Mini Victoria's sponge cakes in two choices of raspberry or lemon. You will need 225 grams of soft butter, 200 grams of caster sugar, and 3 eggs, whisking these separately. Scrape down the sides as you go. One teaspoon of baking powder, 200 grams of plain flour, and 25 grams of cornflour. Then fold this in. One teaspoon of vanilla extract and 60 ml of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can use milk, it's fine. Okay, then divide this into 2 baking tins and bake for 25 to 30 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. So for the buttercream, you'll need 100 grams of soft butter and 200 grams of sieved icing sugar. Okay, and 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm using my buttermilk because I regularly make my homemade butter, so I've got the buttermilk as a byproduct. Okay, when these come out of the oven, allow them to cool completely. And then use your desired cutter size and start cutting out for your mini Victoria sponges. Okay, and then start adding your jams. I've used homemade raspberry jam and homemade lemon curd. I've got both recipes for these on my baking channel. And both jams have got reduced sugar in them and they taste so nice. I don't like too much sugar in my jams, like the store-bought jams are just too sweet for me. Okay, and then start piping on your buttercream. These are starting to look really pretty already. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And then start assembling them. And then dust with some icing sugar for the finishing touch. They look so cute. And this sponge is so light. Thank you for watching.